Video gets started, make sure you watch till the end because I got a giveaway for you guys at the end. And yeah, stay tuned to the end. Make sure you watch the video, like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and see ya. Yo, what's good YouTube? Today we're gonna be doing a kind of like self-promo video. I'm gonna be going out. I'm gonna go to the thrift. I'm gonna get some of my prints from Staples. I'm going to be printing some of my design, like stickers. I'm gonna make a little Instagram QR code, and I'm gonna be going around and putting them on places. Might hit up Michael's, might hit the thrift and need more material and stuff. So that's the plan for today. Nothing crazy. The support's been going crazy so far on Instagram. Instagram's been going crazy, and I need more traffic to it, essentially. TikTok's been doing good too, and the YouTube's also good too. I appreciate all the support and everything. So my website should be up soon too. It should be up right now actually. I just have a couple more things to do, but by the time I post this, everything should be sorted out. It has prices to it, and you can buy stuff, but I'm using it more so to display my stuff so people can get a vibe of what I do, because I'm going to try to network myself to try to get my clothes on big creators or light content creators, like mini influencers. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so right now we're using Cricut in order to print. So wait, this is different, but we're gonna use it to print our QR code, which is right here. Yeah, make sure you lock in, make sure you follow Instagram. So we're gonna use this, we're gonna print it on, let me show you guys. It's kind of a mini tutorial here. I'm gonna print it on this type of paper. It's inkjet, whatever, it's a label printer paper. It's basically sticker paper, and then we're gonna laminate it, but we gotta cut out with this too. So it's gonna be a little bit of a process. I want to make it like not too big, because I want to print a lot of these so I can put it out maybe like 2-3 inches, or we'll see. All right, so this is kind of how it's gonna come out so far. We got the piece of paper we're gonna print out on, and all the Instagram clothes is here too, and I got my Love Shack jacket clothes, so this is perfect. I'm gonna go around, place that on different places in the mall. I don't even know, bro. It's gonna be an adventure though. Okay, so we have this, which is the QR code, and I'm gonna put it in this laminator, so we can see how that turns out. So what actually ended up happening is I tried to use my Cricut machine. At the time, I didn't know what I was doing. I found out the problem now, figured it out, but I had to hand cut it because I was in a rush. I had to meet up with Tommy real quick, so I laminated it, but it wouldn't cut. The Cricut machine wouldn't pick up the sensors on the actual sheet itself. It wouldn't pick up the black corners. So to fix it, I have to put matte tape over it, but I didn't have that at the time, so I'm just cutting it all by hand. Very tedious process, but I got through a couple sheets, and you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. All right, so I think I cut about 6. Yeah, I think I cut about 6-ish pages or 5. It's at least like 60 or 50 stickers here, so I'm gonna try to use them all up today. Yeah, I still got more, but it sucks that I didn't cut properly, but I'll try to fix that later. It's not a big deal because I want to make stickers in the future too, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go, and we're just gonna go place these around and get some supplies and stuff. Yeah, so we're scooping up Tommy right now. I got all the stickers and stuff, so we're gonna mess around with that. Yeah, man, let's see how this goes today. Hopefully it's good. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
If it was winter, then you wouldn't.
If it wasn't winter, then you wouldn't have got these fire-ass prints. Yo, glaze me?
Like ass, man. Not gonna lie.
We are young.
Show it, bro. Oh shit, yeah, he cooking.
Oh, wow.
He cooking.
It's not that dense though.
Like you. That's good. This guy's really dense. Bro, you're not the thinker. You're not the philosopher. What
Yeah,
the
bro.
fuck?
We got like, we got a little bit of that. We got a little bit of.
This guy's
25.
literally sleeping. Like, Wait. Sleeping on the job is crazy.
Where's my keys,
We are young.
Where's my keys? Bro.
Are they here? Oh.
Bro, I was just looking for an excuse to touch me. Oh, it's right there. Yo, isn't your pocket so deep sometimes that like you lose stuff in it? Wait. I'll do it.
Is it hung? Dude, no, that's so mean. He's gonna hug.
Wait, let me get right behind him.
Goodness, bro.
Let me get right behind him and then I'll hung.
Can I make another video? Oh shit!
Actually.
Bernie's still wake up. Wait, maybe he's on his work break. Where's that?
Oh my god. Bro can't be caught
He's
lacking.
still. Oh my god, bro, he's still sleeping.
No way, he's still slumped, bro. Alright, so we in Atlanta.
We in Atlanta, bro. We in Atlanta, Georgia, man. We in Atlanta.
We got the first one.
We in Atlanta right now.
We are not in Atlanta. We got the first sticker of the day. Boom, bro. Alright, let's go. Let's go, bro. Bro, stop putting it on my car, dude. It don't even stick. Oh, bro, that one don't even stick, bro. Alright, the second one on? Do it. Tight shit. You already know what elevator vibes, bro. Elevator vibes. Yo, what you gonna do, bro? Just gonna go everywhere from Snickers? Yo, we just landed in the mall.
Yeah,
bro.
landed at Atlanta.
We just landed straight in Atlanta, bro.
Fresh out of Louisiana.
Fresh out of Louisiana.
We're going to Simon's right now.
Okay, I didn't even know that.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna go to Simon's. We're gonna
like kiss.
We got a mission today, bro. Got a mission. Bro, I'm gonna put it everywhere in the washroom, bro, on the doors, on the handles, everywhere, bro. Everywhere. But we gotta save some for other places too, bro. I think we gotta limit because I only got 50, bro. That's I should have cut more.
I thought
You got like 25, I got like 25.
Bro, I thought I got like 300.
No, bro. I got more at home. Yo. Yo, bro just lost Laura. Yo, so that's what the t-shirt looks like. I'm currently wearing it right now too. But the plan today is to make a new pair of jeans. Gonna make a black pair, double waist. And I think that's the plan. Yeah, double waist, flared out. And we're gonna use the same design like this. I'm gonna use the design like this and the same stencil here. And I think that should be it. So hopefully I'm done before tonight. It is currently, bro, I don't even know. I think it's like 6 p.m. I want to be done before tonight. I don't want to take too long because, you know, like, I value my time. So, yeah, let's try to get these done. These new pair of jeans done. And I got a couple more stuff cooking. And we'll see. I want to do another design for a t-shirt. So, that'll be fire. And I got to coat my screens with emulsion, my screen printing. I need to put some emulsion on it so I can burn more screens, so I can do more prints, but also use another paint. So that would also be another ink. I use plastic ink because this is water-based ink. I don't really like it that much because it doesn't wash out that well. So I'd rather use plastic ink. So let's get to it. Hey, so here we go. That's the main pair right here. This is the main pair. That's what we're gonna use for the inside panels right here. We're gonna cut that out, and then this is the waistband we're gonna use. So let's see how that comes out. Alright, we just cut up everything, cut the inseam out, cut the flares that we're gonna use on the inseam, and got the waistband too. Took the waistband off the back one, cut the blue one off. We're gonna just assemble it all together, and then we're gonna go to the garage to spray paint a little bit, and then screen print over that. So let's get to it. So we just finished up sewing the inner panels. It's coming out good so far. I'm just gonna put the waistband in, which is right here. I'll show you guys the final product right before we start spray painting, because I'm going to spray paint it after this. So I'll meet you once I'm done that. Mother! Ow. Yeah, this is just me trying some new technique where I put this tablecloth looking thing that's usually for grandmas, just putting it over the jeans itself and spraying over it so it has a nice design to it, and then screen printing over it. It came out okay. After I washed it, spoiler alert, it kind of came out, but it's okay because you got to experiment with your design sometimes. So that's what we're doing right now, and I'll show you guys the finished result in 1 sec. Here we are with a quick little screen print sesh. You know, got a little squeegee, push, 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 push. Yeah, that's it basically. Yo, so I just let the pants dry overnight, the jeans, so the ink can sit properly. I heat dried it too. It came out pretty well. I'll actually throw them on, but we got the double waistband, spray paint plus screen print denim, I guess. I think I'm gonna not sell this. I think I'm gonna use this as a giveaway so that I can engage more customers to my brand, to my Instagram, so I can get more followers, more exposure. This is honestly one of my most better pieces. I'm just gonna like zigzag stitch it so it doesn't come loose. Make sure it's good quality because I'm gonna give this to a customer as a giveaway, and thinking of running ads on the giveaway too so that it gets even more exposure. So we're gonna see how that goes. I might take you guys along with me how I do that, so stay tuned. I'm gonna put it on right now, show you guys how it fits. Yo, so I'm making a sticker real quick. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So essentially what I did here is I put a drop shadow on this. So you go to blending options, your outer glow. This is the setting. So 100% spread, put on precise. I mean, you could turn this to normal. Rain, well, this doesn't really matter. It's just these ones. So the reason I do this is because the white part's going to be the background, which is going to be the sticker. And then that black part, that's the shock part. So that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna look like this. That's the sticker. That's one of 2 stickers I'm gonna make, but this is the one I'm gonna use for the video. I might show the other one depending if I get that design done, so we'll see how that goes too. So when printing, this is what I use. It's just label paper that's 8.5 inches by 11 inches, just standard letter size. And it's printing at the moment, but use this because it's like sticker paper basically. And then we're gonna take that sticker paper, laminate it, then cut it, and I'll show you guys how I do that. All right, here we are with the prints. This is the first of the 2 that I'm printing right now. The other one's printing, and yeah, we're just gonna cut it out. I'm gonna laminate it first, and then we're gonna cut it out. Then we will have stickers, which will be 16 stickers, which I think is good enough for now. We're going to come up with another design in the future, but this is just the start. We're just going to have some Shack Jack stickers. So now that I have the piece of paper, it's double-sided like this. I'm going to feed it into the laminator, and you just got to wait for it to properly do it. I'm just going to skip to when it's done. So I forgot to explain this, but we need some scotch tape, some matte scotch tape. We got to corner these off. The reason why is because the sensor won't pick up because this is all glossy, the corners. So in order to pick it up, you have to apply this matte tape so that it can pick up the black in the corners. So I'm going to quickly just tape up the corners real quick. And this is really vital because it took me so long to learn this. Like, I messed up so many times, but you trust me, this is the lifesaver. Without this, it won't even print or cut. So this is like honestly essential to this part. So we got this is the first sticker. Let's have a look. Some of these came out kind of bad, but I got a stack of them. So yeah, it came out pretty good, pretty successful. And we're gonna put these in our shipping, in our bags, in our shipping bags when we're shipping to our customers and stuff. So thank you for the video. Like, subscribe. I know it was a short one, but hey man, this is how I make my stickers. Yeah, I'm alright. So finally, the end of the vlog. This is it. This is how it looks like in all its glory. Look at it. The back is not so but you know, it's clean. Yo, so I just got my printer. This is gonna print my labels with my labels right here. Got it nice. And then this is my scale to weigh the jeans so that when I ship, it ships, it knows the weight of the jeans so it can charge correctly. And then this is so when I'm shipping it, it's also going to print the labels when I ship it to people. So this is very good. We're going to set it up quickly. And then we're going to wrap up this video now because it's essentially done. And we're going to do a giveaway. The giveaway will be up soon. I guess the giveaway will be done by the time this video is up, but we'll see. So yeah, here we got the label printer. We're gonna start printing some stuff or whatnot, and we got the jeans right there. Now, when this video goes up, we're going to actually be live with the drop. Be live with the giveaway. So that's my plan right now. So yo, go check the Instagram for the giveaway. I'm giving these jeans for free. I'm gonna throw them on screen right now. If you want to win yourself a pair, go check on Instagram. Check the details and everything. And when y'all done, come back, like the video, subscribe, comment, do everything, bro. I'll link a description in to my Instagram in the description below. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.